Hey there, today I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. Now, first let me say, this is my Amazon purchase, but this is not for me, this is for my wife. This is a pair of IDIFU, that's the brand, high heel shoes. And as with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. So first and foremost, the box is not in the best shape. There's a hole in the bottom, there's a crack here, and there's a crack here. I'm not sure if that's because of the high heels, maybe a heel punctured it, I'm not sure, but let's open them up. Just doing this video in case there's some other ladies out there like my wife that wanted these shoes and they want to get an idea of what do they look like when they come in, etc. So my wife ordered a 7.5 in the black, and it is the suede nubuck, I think is what it's called. These are a 3-inch heel. Not sure how well you're going to be able to see. On my camera it might just look like black, but it's kind of a suede material. Little bitty nick here in the back. Everything else looks pretty good on this one. Both of them came in some soft cloth shoe bags. Sorry ladies, as a guy, I don't know much about these heels. I don't know what to show you other than just to give you a glimpse at what they look like. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing video. I hope it helps. Thanks for watching.